Jesus Christ. OnePlus, 8 GB RAM, charging cable, 8 GB RAM, 128 GB memory as well. I bet you've seen better unboxings than this. Dash charger. Micro Type-C USB charger, headphone jack, speaker, lock switch, rocker switch, change it from different modes, volume switch. This is the OnePlus 6. Give you a nice bumper pack, nice welcome pack. Nice. Free cover. Official OnePlus 6 cover, no less. Put that in there ASAP. There are better ones available online though. Turn this baby on. Official OnePlus logo there, guys. Looking proper dapper. Yeah, that's all right. Immediately once we do alright, so that's the official unboxing, guys. You get this welcome pack with it. You get your obviously your SIM card remover. This hasn't got official IPX68 water resistant rating, but OnePlus guarantee that this is essentially waterproof. 6 GB RAM, dual SIM, no memory. It's got no memory expandable memory slot. It's got an ultra fast charging cable. You'll get to, I like that touch in there, it's red. I think that they're doing their OnePlus matches with the color scheme. and the cable for that matter. Yeah, so it's oh god, it's it's got a hell of a lot of functions that I want to discover about. It's a 20 megapixel bottom, 16 megapixel upper, fingerprint scanner. Damn, it's been done on my S9, and it's got a notch. It's got the notch design that's removable. Let's have a look. It's notch design is unremovable. So there's a fair few things going on here. But it is a very, very fast phone. It's an 8 GB RAM model, this, and your normal S9 is 4 GB RAM, so this is double like the processing power. 128 hard drive, no expandable memory slot, being that you can store stuff on the cloud, and in 2 years I've only filled up 57 GBs of data, of music really, and photos and videos are stored on cloud. So there are particular justifications for getting this phone, other over an iPhone and stuff, but this is pretty much the fastest phone on the market at the minute. Yeah, the United Kingdom. Let us start here. Wonderful Wizard of Oz. So OnePlus Slate recommended. Yeah, Roboto. What's this? It's various fonts. That's quite sick, isn't it? I'll stick with the normal standard nonsense, man. And yeah, so there is not much else more to say, but it's a genuine thing. It took 18 days to get to me. It cost me £396, the cheapest you're going to get a OnePlus 8 GB RAM model for, OnePlus 6 8 GB RAM. And I wanted this over the S Plus 9. There's your S Plus 9 alongside of it. This is actually being recorded on S Plus 9, but I am used to a phone that can pretty much provide, you can see I just wanted a phone that was bigger. I wanted a phone that was vastly bigger, and I didn't get that with the S9. It was grabbable, and also the keyboard as well. So, I just needed, I needed something that was just bigger, basically. So that's about it, guys. That's the review. There is other stuff that I can, speak to you about. OnePlus, it's a company. The OnePlus 6T is out. The OnePlus 6T is out, and basically, so that's they're getting rid of the headphone jack on that, which is unfortunate. Whereas other manufacturers have decided to keep that, but you can see that this phone is absolutely, it's a stunner, absolute stunner. As they say in old drum and bass speak, it's a stunarchi. Anyway, enough of this. So I want to have an experience with this phone over the next few days. But it's a 6.28 inch screen running across, whereas the S9 is 5.9 as far as I'm aware. It's a 5.9. Yeah, I just needed a bigger phone. I'm not happy with the fact that when you just to write stuff on, obviously when you WhatsApp and type stuff back, you need bigger buttons. Whereas with this, the buttons were just, the keyboard was just too small for my tender fingers, as you can see. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. Bamba Clark.